I've already made many videos showing how to bypass the Windows 11 setup wizard's lack of internet access, TPM module support, and much more. But I wondered if it was possible to skip this tedious setup wizard altogether, simply create a local account, and configure everything from the operating system itself if necessary. And yes, there is such a method. It involves using a specific command to perform one action. Simply create a local account, and in 10 seconds you'll be at the desktop. You no longer need a Microsoft account, internet access, or other things. On the region selection screen, press Shift and F10. If you're using a laptop, you might also need to add the FN key. This will open a command prompt, where you can enter the magic command. Enter the command start mscxh local only and then press enter. A small window will appear asking you to enter your username and password. If you don't want to set a password, leave these fields blank. Then simply press enter. Next, you need to uncheck a few checkboxes, and that's it. After 10 seconds, you'll be back at your familiar desktop. You can confirm by rebooting and ensuring everything is working correctly, and you'll also be back at the Windows 11 desktop. From there, all settings are easier to configure from within the system itself. You'll agree that this is much more convenient. Why Microsoft doesn't allow this by default remains a mystery to me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content.